I'm Jayle Wagler, and I am running that Well Diesel Reben.
Fresh on the scene, last year we caught up with you, making the splash out there. What has changed from last year to this year?
Well, we went from 65% over injectors to 150% from S&S. And we plan to break into the fours hopefully with this car, maybe this weekend, but we're not sure yet. We're gonna see how that goes.
How's the season been going? You've been able to get
Good.
double entered up into some classes and
Yeah, so we've been double entering. We turn it down for the 570 class, and then we turn it up for the top diesel.
okay.
I ran a 520 down at Rudy's, and that was my personal best pass. We were maxed out with injectors then, so now we got bigger injectors, so we'll
Nice.
see how it goes.
So do you think that there's a lot left on a combination? Because I remember it was relatively simple. It wasn't.
Yes, so I think that there's a lot more capability of this motor and everything, but I think our main struggle will be the car.
Okay.
It's meant for like a lower bracket,
Yeah.
so we're not gonna push it too much, I don't think. Just enough to where we can be a little bit competitive, because right now in the top diesel, they're like blowing right past me, and I want to keep up just a little bit more. So.
Gotcha. How has it been so far this weekend? Have qualifying pass been good?
It's been really good, yeah. My reaction time's big. I think I got a 0.001, so that was really sketchy. Too close.
I mean, it's almost perfect, is what some people would say.
Yeah, I don't like to get that close. 0.30 and down is what I prefer.
Doesn't matter, qualified though. 580 with a 7 to a 592, 5 Jayle a little too quick, 569 with a 5. Skyler steps in.
So you've created quite a name for yourself on the reaction times around here. Is it something you practice?
I actually have a game on my phone that I play. I don't know if it helps or not, but I also test, like, we have the track there in Lyons, so if there's a race, I try to practice beforehand.
Okay.
If not, I try to do as much practice as I can when I get to the track. So testing more seat time is what I like.
Definitely. Now, I know I kind of feel like before you were maybe a little apprehensive about going that fast, but now you seem kind of excited to go forward.
I think I got more used to the car because I was kind of a little bit scared, I guess, because this would be my 4th race in it.
Okay.
And it was just a lot new.
Yeah.
I wasn't very comfortable, but I think I'm getting more comfortable with it. I think I was a little scared of it.
There's nothing wrong with a healthy respect for the machine that's taking you down the track.
Yeah.
Great run for Wade, 447 with a 3 at 168. Bracket card. Watch reaction time.
You're in the Wagler family.
Back door to 572.
Tell us a little bit
She
about
steps up.
the kind of engine setup. I mean, I know you went to bigger injectors, but what's the engine, turbo, that kind of stuff?
Okay, so this is a Wagler Competition Street Fighter. A lot of people actually put those in their daily trucks, or so we wanted to put this in a race application because to show it can do what a lot of other people are doing at a cheaper cost. And then that's a stainless diesel turbo and S&S injectors. We run the Hot Shots race fuel, and Mark and Twyla Broviak and Kyler, they've been doing all the tuning and the ECM and stuff on this, so
Nice.
they've been getting it dialed down. We were, when we put the bigger injectors in, they had to tune it a lot down to run the 570 with that much of a change, so.
Gotcha.
out of 607 with a 5.
You said you can just call up Wagler and buy one of those things,
Yes.
those long blocks, ready to go,
Yes.
and jam it into your truck or a really small dragster.
Yes. Yeah, it's probably one of the most cheaper options to go racing. I mean, I bought this car for $5 grand off Marketplace, so
Yeah.
it would be the best option for anyone that wants to get started. You don't have to work on it all the time.
That's the key.
Yes.
So
The only thing that I've really had to, we really had to work on was the transmission, which was used when I bought the car. So,
yeah. So
which
you
makes
expect it.
sense. Yeah.
Now, you've probably been to UCCs before, right?
Since 2018 was my last time when Dad did the challenge, the pulling and the drag racing with it. That was my last time here.
So how does it feel to like go from watching that to now you're racing here in front of this
It's
crowd?
cool. I love, I always come here and watch the U.S. Nationals, so it's kind of cool going down the same track that they do. It's a really nice track here. I like it.
Sweet. Well, good luck. We'll catch you up here for the next passes.
For a chance with Kelvy down track, didn't matter. Jayle took 3/10 out of him at the hit.